How to keep young kids amused on long journeys. Planes, trains, and cars. Long journeys with young kids don't have to be stressful. With a little planning, you can keep them entertained, happy, and maybe even prevent those dreaded "are we there yet" moments. In this video, we'll cover tips and tricks to keep kids amused on planes, trains, and in cars, along with fun games you can play as a family. Let's dive in. General tips for long journeys with kids. First, let's start with some general tips that work for any mode of transport. Pack an activity bag. Include coloring books, small toys, puzzles, and even a tablet loaded with age-appropriate games and shows. Snacks are essential. Bring a variety of snacks to keep their hands busy and their tummies happy. Think fruit slices, crackers, or small treat boxes. Headphones are lifesavers. If you're traveling on a plane or train, invest in child-friendly headphones so they can watch a movie or listen to music. Frequent breaks. If you're driving, plan stops to let them stretch their legs and burn off energy. Keeping kids entertained on planes can be tricky, but with a little preparation, they can also be a fun adventure for kids. Surprise toys. Wrap a few small toys and hand them out throughout the flight. The unwrapping itself keeps them occupied. DIY activity kits include stickers, crayons, and travel-sized games. Magnetic puzzles are great because they won't fall off the tray table. Window entertainment. If they're by the window, talk about the clouds, the view, or even create a game about spotting shapes in the sky. Interactive apps and shows. Download kid-friendly apps, audiobooks, or episodes of their favorite TV shows for some quiet time. Keeping kids entertained on trains. Trains are often more spacious than planes, so you can get creative with entertainment. Window spotting games. Play I Spy, or ask them to look for animals, specific colors, or unusual landmarks outside the window. Story time. Pack a couple of books to read aloud, or make up a story together about the places you're passing. Travel journals. Encourage them to draw pictures or write about their journey. It's a fun way to keep them engaged and document the trip. Portable board games. Mini versions of classic games like Connect 4 or Snakes and Ladders are perfect for train tables. Keeping kids entertained in cars. When you're in a car, keeping kids entertained is a must. Here are some ideas that work wonders. Car games. I Spy. Classic and easy to play for all ages. 20 questions. Think of something, and they ask yes or no questions to guess it. Spot it. See who can spot the most red cars, cows, or road signs. Alphabet game. Look for letters on signs, license plates, or billboards, working through A to Z. Sing-alongs. Create a playlist of their favorite songs and have a karaoke session in the car. Audiobooks. Choose kid-friendly audiobooks to keep them engaged in a story. DIY crafts. Use lap desks for drawing or sticker books during the drive. Snack time scavenger hunt. Pack snacks in small containers and let them hunt for their next treat at intervals. Extra travel tips for parents. Here are a few bonus tips for making your journey even smoother. Timing is key. Try to plan your journey during nap times or at night if your kids sleep well in transit. Stay flexible. Things might not go perfectly, and that's okay. Stay patient and adapt as needed. Reward good behavior. A small treat or sticker for staying calm and happy can go a long way. Make the journey fun for everyone. Long journeys with kids don't have to be a headache. They can be a fun and memorable part of your trip, whether you're flying, riding a train, or driving. These tips and games will help you keep your little ones happy and entertained along the way. What's your favorite travel tip for keeping kids amused? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more family travel tips and guides. Happy travels, and we'll see you on your next adventure.